Kinetic Sand slime. First ingredient will be glue, just like any other slime, and you can really use any type of glue. Depending on what type of glue, you might have to modify how much activator you put in it. Sometimes I find with glitter glue, you need a little bit more activator, so just be aware of that. I am using Elmer's glitter glue, which is pretty good. Sometimes I've used stuff in the dollar store, which I find really doesn't work at all. So just a little warning in regards to that. So all I did there was put some activator in it. I use borax just because I feel like I have the most success with it. About 1 teaspoon per cup of warm water, and then obviously mix it together until it dissolves. And I'm just going to keep stirring this up until it turns into slime, and then we're going to turn it into the best, softest slime ever. And I'm not even joking, it's my favorite by far in terms of all. Better to your slime. I got this Kinetic Sand box from Toys R Us, so I used a whole pack of this with a whole bottle of glue, and I think it turned out pretty good, as you will soon find out. Just taking a minute to look at how awesome Kinetic Sand is, because it really is one of the coolest things ever. It's so soft, right? It's so soft. If you've never tried it, it's definitely worth going out to the store and buying some. It is pretty expensive, but it lasts, I mean, I don't want to say forever because I've never had Kinetic Sand forever, but the stuff that I do have doesn't dry out or anything, and it's exactly the same. So it's definitely, it lasts like way longer than Play-Doh or something like that. So I'm just going to mix it in. This stuff, you know, maybe at first it appears that it's not going to mix in, but just keep kneading it, and you will soon discover that this is the best, I should say, the softest slime ever. What I love about Kinetic Sand slime is that it does that. It stretches, it completely stretches, and it holds its shape, it's squishy, it has like this cool texture because of the sand, and it's just so soft, so you can really kind of do anything you want to it. So definitely my #1 recommended slime, even if it's like not even in the softest list, it's just my #1 recommended slime of all time. So please let me know, comment if you guys have ever tried this, or if you're gonna try it, and if you do try it, let me know how it goes, okay? To show you this cloud slime, I'm just gonna zip through the glue and the activator and go straight to making the slime. So I am gonna use glue, or glitter glue. Of course I'm using glue. I'm gonna use glitter glue, but you can use any glue if you want. So there's my slime, but this is the good stuff. So this is what you call Insta Snow. I got mine in a box with this set, with this science set. I'm sure you can buy this stuff just on Amazon, but this stuff is essentially what you get in diapers. So it absorbs any sort of liquid. It can absorb actually quite a bit of liquid, but you don't want to make it too moist. You want it to ensure that it's nice and fluffy, and that's really going to help your slime be super soft. So here I am just showing you how it's snowing onto the slime. Snow, snow, snow. Not that we want to think about snow at this time of year, but here we are making Insta Slime, or Insta Snow slime. So the best part about this is that it's just so fun to squish into the slime, and it just makes it so soft. That's it, you guys. All you do is you make your slime, you have your Insta Snow, and just like anything else, you just mix them together. So in this case, the snow really mixes in well. I obviously did put a little bit of extra there, but you'll see right here, look at that. That is seriously cool stuff. And this stuff, you know, it's hard to tell over video, but it really is super duper soft. And this last slime is fluffy slime, and if you guys have not tried this slime, you need to go to the store right now and buy some shaving cream, and if you don't have any glue, and obviously your activator, and just make this slime, because the slime is not only soft, it is crunchy and clicky and squishy and like 3D-ish. I know that sounds weird, but the shaving cream gives this dimension that no other slime can, so you have to try this slime. And this is the fluffy, awesome slime that you guys get after mixing shaving cream, gel, and activator. And oh man, this stuff is so cool that you might not even go back to regular slime. There you go, those are the top 3 softest slimes ever in my opinion. Make sure you guys comment below on which you think is the softest, and if you've ever tried it. Thanks so much everyone!